Let's open this one. A little doggy with a bone and other place. Now let's put the dog's bow on. Yes, we finished the dog's bow. We need this piece, and then we put the flower on here, and then put a smaller flower on this flower. And then the last one we put here, and then put the longer piece right here. And get a light post. No. Like this, or like this, or like this. And then like this. And then we put the top on. Yay, I finished this part. Now I'm going to do this. And then put this one right over here. Something went terribly right. Yay, I put the top on. Now let's put a little wheat here. And then the other wheat here too. Now we finished that one. Let's just put this one right here. Put a red flower. And then give the dog a bone. See? So cute together. So see you in my last video. Bye bye.